about how can you fix this problem on your Photoroom app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it. So when you click here on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you go down, you just click here on apps, then come to apps list here, and there you're looking for Photoroom app, or just click on search. So then here at Photoroom app, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it, then it's going to take you to this list here. Click on first stop, then you click on OK, then you go down here, just click on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here, then you search here for photo ROM. It's going to show for you like this. Then you will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.